Hello friend, this is Silent Solution. Again another video. Today we are discuss the best SSS logging application software. Let's go. First, PuTTY. Here there is a download link. You can download it. MobaXterm. This is you can is download free version. I'm connecting in remote in the SFTP. Let's go where installation now, where go downloads. This is the remote connecting. Next installation. This is Xshell. For download it, ego. Next same. And on the other hand, then PuTTY, MobaXterm, and a similar process is just download it and next it installation it. Let's go. But finish this. Next. The same way, all remote connecting. Next. M connecting is installations done. Let's go where go to our server PC. This IP. Our IP is 160. This M connecting. This is the same way. Finish. This shell is open. Root. Password. This connection is done. You have to the new another connection. Then you have the new connection. The same process, your host name, your IP, and this is a very interesting, graphically very user friendly. You have to one or more at a time connected to your server. All session is here you can see this. Now we're accept root. This is another. Well, one or more. This is similar. This is very useful and user friendly. Now go to our remote connecting and connection. This is here is our IP. First time use yes. Root. This is another. This is the M remote connecting. Where the another connection just 17. Yes. Root. One more session here. You can see this. This is the best application software. This another is MobaXterm. Is another gorgeous software. Is our server IP. Yes. Username root password is connected. The similar way, another where have a graphically connected, then here is where another session, this same similarly, like for first time when root here, same one. This is another application software is very interesting. There is a PuTTY. New session. This is very useful and gorgeous. This where the Xshell MobaXterm. Now let's finally is another and gorgeous SSS remote connection software. This is here is the new session terminal or session is a new SSS. This is very gorgeous. Here is your root user, password connected. Yes, it's connected. Where again another is this MobaXterm is connected. There's two or more, and Xshell is very gorgeous and remote connecting in a similar way is very way. And PuTTY individually desktop, but you have to that's why where last final one where Windows default cmd were connected. SSS root our server IP. Yes, this is Windows Server OS. This is Santos. Thanks for watching. Keep touch where every time is a new technology and new Linux platform. We'll discuss it.